Now let's go to another problem. This problem says that consider the situation shown in figure. The figure is in front of you. You can see this figure. Calculate the acceleration of the 1 kg blocks. What will be the acceleration of these 1 kg blocks? Let us say their acceleration is A. Since they are tied together, their acceleration will be same. And of course, since there is a one single row, the acceleration of this downward block also will be A without any doubt. Another question, the tension in the string connecting the 1 kg blocks. So they want us to find out this tension. Let's say this tension is T1, and let us say tension of this block is T2. It will be a different tension because there is another block in between. This given is this mu2 is 0.2. This friction coefficient is also 0.2. This, of course, does not have any friction, but it is simply going downward. And both ways are 1 kg, 1 kg, and 0.5 kg. No problem. So what do we do? First, we consider we 2 kg blocks together is free body. Consider both 1 kg blocks together as free body, and they are tied with a string, both of them together as a free body. Since we are considering both of them together as a free body, so the tension in between it does not matter at all. Here you find there is a tension T2, this tension T2. And this has a force, this has a mass 1 kg, this has a mass of 1 kg. So action will be 1g, 1 kg into g, that is 10 Newton. Its reaction will be 10 Newton, and its friction also will be 0.2, 0. This is R. This also has the same R, and this has the same frictional force, 0.2 R, resisting its motion. Then what we find from this free body diagram? We find T2. We find from T2 minus 0.2 R minus 0.2 R, because both of them are in the opposite direction. Minus 0.2 will be equal to acceleration into the mass together. Their mass is 1 kg plus 1 kg multiplied by their acceleration A. We should solve this equation. It's very easy. You can do at home. This is, we can preserve this equation as equation 1. Then we go to the second part. Then we consider only the hanging block. Consider the Consider the hanging block. Then what we find? 5G. We find, sorry, 0.5 is a mass into downward gravitational force G minus upward force, its tension is what? Upward minus T is equal to mass 0.5 into acceleration A. Right? And this is T2. Earlier one was T2 and this is another T. From here we find T2 is equal to, from here we find T5, 5.5G is 5 minus 0.5. Consider this as equation. So from equation 2 and from equation 1, and 1 and 2, 1 and 2, what do you get? From 1 and 2, we get I, this T2, we get 4 plus 2A, 4 plus 2A, equal to, from here, 5 minus, from here, you can easily find acceleration A is equal to square plus 7. So this is one answer that they want you to find out. Now putting this value, you can put this value in anywhere. Say, now you put the value A. Equation 1. If you put the value of A in equation 1 or in equation 2, the value of equation 1 and 2 will get the same answer. We find T2 Newton. So this is here another answer. T2 is the tension in the hanging block, and acceleration of the T2 is a new block. So now they want us to find out the tension in the string in the 1 kg block. We have found that is 0.4 per meter square per second. Second question was asked is tension in the string connecting the 1 kg block, that is T1, 1 kg block that we have not yet found out. Third is tension in the string attached to the 5 kg block, that is T2 that we have found. So answer A and C got. Now we have to find out the answer B. For answer B, what we do? We consider let us give it a name. Let's say this block is A. Let's consider only block A. And what we get? T2 is the force towards the direction of the motion. So T2, backward tension is T1 minus, there is another backward force is mu R. This will be equal to its mass 1 kg multiplied by acceleration A. From here we get T2 we have got 4.8. 4. Minus T1 we have to find out. Minus mu is 0.2. R is 1 into G, that means 1 multiplied by 10 is equal to A. From here, we can easily find out the tension T1 is equal to. So, acceleration of the 1 kg block, this is the answer A. Answer B is the tension in the string attached to 0.5 kg. And B is tension in the string connecting the 1 kg block. This is answer B. And this is answer C. Now, this is the question. Now, what do we do? We shall go to the next question just in our next episode.